So hello everyone, this is the day 97th of my journey to improve my communication skills. So as usual, I work on my reading, writing, speaking and listening skills. So today again I read the book How to Develop Strong, How to Develop Positive Thinking, and in which the author mentioned 10 steps through which we can generate self-confidence. Because mainly क्या होता है, if you are lagging in any field, the reason is simple, that you are not aware of your potential and you are doubting on your potential. If you only think that you are not capable for this job or this work, how do you think that the people will believe on you? First of all, you should develop self-confidence, and to develop self-confidence, you should always think positive. You should always think that God is always with you, and you can do whatever opportunities and um, whatever the situation comes in your life, you will definitely crack that. That mindset you have to develop if you want to succeed in your life, and that is mentioned in the book, How to Develop Positive Thinking. And coming to my data structure and algorithm, today I solved two problems. First one is rank of a sorted array. So rank of an array. So basically, what is the problem? So given, so suppose we have an array whose numbers are given in some pattern like 40, 30, 20. We have to return the value, or we should rank which number is smallest. We should rank 1 and then checking 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. And we should return in the same manner in which the array is given. So first I sort the array, and then I rank with the help of a map, and then again I rank with the given array and then return it. This is the basic approach which I use to solve the problem. Another problem which I solved is merge to merge to sorted array without using extra space. I solved it with brute force and then optimal force. In brute force, it's just basically uh, for loops. First of all, I check whether uh, whatever the condition is given, if uh, the left array is less than n and the right array is less than m, that is basically n and m is basically length of a first and second array. If they are less than, then proceed further. If both are conditions satisfied, then put it into the array 3. And if the array of left is getting finished, then whatever the elements are pending in the array of right should automatically come into the array 3, and similarly for array 1 also. So this is basically approach which I use to solve the problem. And coming to what I realized is, so today I met one of my junior, and the work he did is literally exceptional. I don't have words to express the work he did in just 2 years. He's now giving fourth sem exams, and he literally solved 900 problems in the lead code, code forces, and then striver A to Z DSC playlist. And then he already won 7 to 8 hackathons, and he is just gonna placed in uh, some company which came to college for the fourth semester students, and he already cracked 2 rounds. 2 rounds is pending, and I'm definitely sure he will definitely crack what are the achievements he already did in the 2 years. So what I wanted to share is what I want to share is, if you think that you are doing very good in your field and you are putting a lot of effort, you are doing a lot of hard work, so it's just only your perception. Look around yourself and you will find thousands of the people who are doing better than you, who are exceptionally good than you. So I I, I don't want to say that you can't do better than those peoples, but you have to work like a hell. Then only you can excel what you wanna do in your life. Because today's generation, you have to compete with the people, so you can't stop with 1 or 2 problems, or with 1 or 2 hour studies. You have to work for minimum 5 to 6 hours, or maximum as much as you can do, and with productivity, not just only for sitting. So what I was doing is I just sit on the chair and thinking that I am solving a problem from with the help of a chat GPT. That is not a good approach. So whatever you are doing, think logically, wired your brain to solve the problems, not to mug up the concept. So if you follow this approach, then you definitely succeed. And whatever you, I'm not talking about only the placement session, but whoever is watching this video, whatever field you are in, don't care about the people what they are saying about yours, about you, and don't and never think positive. Don't think that you are less than anybody. Think God is always with you, and whatever you want to achieve, God will help you to achieve that, and you should uh, put an effort towards your goals. Then only you will achieve it. So yeah, that's all about day 97th of my journey to improve my communication skills. So follow this channel and please comment in the comment section if I'm doing something wrong, if I can improve something. And yeah, that's all. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.